Hello everyone. Today we're going to be learning how to create a very professional logo for pest control niches. And this is going to be one of the shortest videos because it's very easy to make logos for companies now because we have Canva. If you just go over to Canva and you actually write down, pest control logo. This is Canva, by the way, for people who don't know. This is going to help you with your Facebook ad creatives. It's going to help you with everything you need, and you can just click on any of them, right? So here you go. There's a lot of options you're going to see here, but the problem is in Canva we have a shortage of logos, right? Like you can just see there are four of them, and you might see like 1,000 of uh pest control niches using the same logo. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a very good thing. We're going to go over to Gemini. This is what you're going to do in Gemini. I want to create a very high professional logo for my pest control niche called Pest Control 2026, or you can just say Pest Control Company, right? For just for the sake of this video. And what you also have to do is you have to say that you're going to tell Gemini to use colors from colors green and gold, right? It doesn't matter. You can use any color that you want. That's your wish. Make sure it looks professional. It looks like brand, and you're gonna go ahead and this is what Gemini does. It's gonna create a very professional logo that you can use. You don't have to be a very professional graphic designer. It's pretty easy to do this now using AI. It used to be difficult before, but now there are a lot of AI tools you can use, and Gemini by far is the quickest one. Now you can see you are gonna go through problems where the background is weird, right? And I can't even see the image. You have to so this is what you have to say. This is what you have to type down. uh this logo is too much. I want background to be white and the text to be readable. Yeah. So you do have to go for a few tries. I would recommend using a more extensive prompt because the bigger the prompt is, the better. Uh, you can comment down below if you need the prompt. Either way, link it in the description. Uh, but there you go. Yeah, so this one is way better, right? Uh, you have to also fix these things, which is very easy to do. You can just go back and forth with Gemini. This is the advantage to use Gemini for logo creations because there's no like limitations. It's gonna keep going on and on and on. With ChatGPT it has limitations, right? So after like three four prompts, it's not gonna let you. It's gonna ask you to pay for ChatGPT Pro. So yeah, that's that. Hope you guys liked it. Please do subscribe and leave a comment down below if there's any questions, any specific video you guys want me to make. So yeah.